Hey guys, Allan Builds here. I have here a Hyundai Elantra 2009 automatic transmission. The customer brought this car here for me to change the transmission fluid. And look what I have just found. The transmission oil pan leaking. As you can see, this transmission oil pan wet. If you're having a hard time to find yours, I'll show you the engine oil pan right here and the oil filter right there. So it's easy to find, guys. We went to the store to buy a transmission oil pan gasket, but the guy said they don't have available gasket for this car right now. If we will able to wait 3 to 5 days, we can have it. And the customer said he cannot wait because he's using this car for work. So I decided to use this Permatic gasket maker so the customer can use his car. In order to remove the transmission oil pan, let's take these 3 fasteners off. I don't know what you call this, guys. Transmissions flash shell or transmissions flash guard. I'm not so sure. After remove these 3 fasteners, this come right off. We're taking this transmission drain plug off so we can drain that fluid. This pan got 19 volts, so let's remove those.
Yung compact plus ko sa gulong yung mang yung impact wrench. Oo, yung kuan. Ha?
19 volts has been removed. We can now remove this pan. Flat screwdriver will break this loose. So let's remove it. Here is the filters. We're supposed to change it, but the store out of the filter, so we're not replacing it right now. I'm not using the metal scraper, guys. There's a chance to make gouge, then the fluid passing through the gouge, and then this might leak again. So I'm just using this plastic scraper just to prevent the leak. This is good to go. And we also clean the transmission. Make sure this transmission is clean as well. When we put the oil pan, there won't leak anymore. I'm spraying brake clean, guys. So this is nice and shiny. And this looks good. So let's go back to the transmission well pan. So here's the Permatix gasket maker. We're putting the gasket maker right now. Just nice and slow. This is ready to install, guys. Just nice and slow. The gasket maker still wet. Let's put those 19 volts on. Just don't over tight these bolts. Just snug. We have to torque them down later. You can put now the drain plug on. just snug. You have to torque this down.
Ha? Dito? Hindi. Kasi,
Now we can torque this 19 volts, 8 foot-pounds, in crisscross pattern.
amping mo lang ka ha? Amping mo. Just use your man nga. Amping.
We're done torquing this 19 volts, so we need to torque this drain plug to the manufacturer torque specs. There we go. Let's go to the engine bay and put the new fluid in the transmission. Pull the dipstick out and put the funnel in the dipstick hole. Every vehicle has a different kind of transmission fluid, and this fluid is good for this car. Hyundai automatic transmission fluid, full synthetic. If you don't know yours, just search on Google or ask your local store. I already put 3 liters of fluid off cam, guys. This is the fourth one, so just 4 liters of fluid altogether.
Pilipino to eh.
The next thing is to go in and start up the car. We're gonna shift through different gear and let the car run about 2 to 3 minutes till the transmission heat up. Then we check the transmission fluid level. We're gonna go each one of them. It's been 3 minutes since the car running, so we're gonna check the fluid level. Let's go back to the engine bay.
Ito lang yan.
Pull this dipstick out. We'll see. The dipstick mark right here. And look at the fluid. As you can see, the fluid also here. So this is perfect. This is Mark, aka Derek Ramsey. This is Ralph, aka Richard Gomez. This is Robin, aka Paulo Abilino. And the guy who owns this car, he's a Punjabi. If you found this helpful, please share, like, and consider subscribing. And hit that bell notification so you are the first ones to get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks guys, and drive safely.